Ribs. Just the word sparks joy. Juicy, smoky, tender ribs. They're the king of barbecue. Whether you crave pork ribs or beef ribs, the wonder happens with smoke and thyme. Get ready for a fun cooking adventure. We're going to transform ordinary ribs into something truly special. Get your grill or smoker ready. We're about to make some BBQ wonder. First things first, prep those ribs. Peel off the membrane on the back. This helps the flavor soak in. Next, generously rub those ribs with your favorite dry rub. Don't be shy. Crank up your grill or smoker. We want low and slow cooking, around 225 degrees Fahrenheit or 107 degrees Celsius. Now place those ribs on the grill, bone side down. Close the lid and let the smoke work its wonder. Patience is key here. Let the ribs smoke for about 3 hours. You'll start to see the meat pull back from the bones. Time for the next step. Wrap the ribs in foil or butcher paper. This helps keep them juicy. Back on the smoker, they go for another 2 hours. Now comes the moment of truth. Unwrap those ribs and brush on your favorite BBQ sauce. Let them cook for a final 30 minutes, unwrapped. This gives the sauce time to caramelize. Congratulations, you've made smoky, tender BBQ ribs. The aroma alone is mouth-watering. Serve them up with classic sides like coleslaw, baked beans, and cornbread. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different rubs, sauces, and woods for smoking. Each time you make ribs, it's a chance to create your own signature flavor. Gather friends and family. Share your delicious ribs and enjoy the fruits of your labor. That's what BBQ is all about.